Here I have XGODY X15, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the system section, languages and input, languages, add a language. So here you can see the whole list of the available system languages. So as you can see, it's pretty long. So let's pick best language in the world, Ukrainian. And then to set Ukrainian as your display language, you just drag it on top here, like this, and it will be changed automatically after a few seconds. So if you want to change it back to English, what you have to do is to open settings, then go to the system section, then go to the Mova ta vedення, mowy, and drag English back on top. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.